So we are going to look at how to work with Claude in Power BI. And we have our data already uploaded in the Power BI desktop. You can see we have the various columns already available in the data in the table. This is Claude. I already have my MCP server Power BI connected. We are going to have two-side view, the cloud window on one side and the Power BI um, desktop on another side so that we could have a proper view of how uh, the data gets runs in Claude whilst reflecting in Power BI desktop. Normal language, to let the cloud connect to the sales table first. Then we go ahead with our prompt. So we are asking the AI to connect to our desktop first. So you realize that it's been able to locate the folder, the sales file. So we've been able to connect, I mean, to the Power BI desktop, the sales file that we have in our desktop. What we are going to do is to ask Cloud to create measures, I mean, that will assist in our visualization in a different table. So that's the prompt. Great. This helping us to reduce, to actually speed up. The workflow as an analyst. It's amazing. Yeah, it's so all the measures that has been created are here from total sales, um, the gross sales, the discounts, the discounted rate, the total. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold, the profit margin, the total units sold, the average, the revenue, the sales. Year to date. The profits. All these measures has been they have been calculated. For you. And gone are the days where we used to calculate this manually, and now we have all the KPIs being calculated. We have you taking time to create a time intelligence table that has already I mean do that for you within a space of some few minutes. So we asked it to further create a dimension table and create relationships among them. So we want a sub table being connected to the fact table so that we could have our proper schema for our analysis. Then it did it beautifully for us. You could see it. You could see it. You could see them here. Yeah, but there's a challenge. You could see an exclamatory, a warning sign here for the products. So we can go further to check if there are any values. So I think so. For the countries, let me see. So for the countries, we have them here. Uh, a table. Let's see that of the discounts. So we have the discounts to. I think the for the products, it wasn't able to fetch. The data to create. The table for that. So we would look at that. Then for the segment, we have them. All right. So we have subtables being created. So there are no values in the dim products. So it's letting us know the issue. Um, because C is done. Let's verify to see. So now we have, the products uh, table being fetched. Okay, so um, you see, it's been able to done a very good job for us from measures to creating dimensions and also creating the relationships among the tables. Way back, we have to, do this manually, step by step. That's interesting. All right, let us do something small. Let's see. And that wouldn't be enough. Now that we have them, we can go ahead. So now that you have your, your measures, your subtables being developed, generated by the cloud. You can just go ahead to create your visualization. And you realize that with the assistance of this AI tool, it is actually going to help you speed your workflow. And that is so amazing. I love what is happening in the industry.